Hi guys! This week we're going to focus on the tools that you will have in your um, online Georgia Milestones test. So I'm going to show you guys how to use that. The highlighted tool up here is your pointer tool. That's when you see the arrow. That's the main tool you are going to be using. That is how you choose your answers. So to choose an answer, you can click on it. To unchoose the answer, if you decide that's not what you want to do, then you click on it again and it will take the answer away. The next tool up here is the cross off tool. So as you are reading your passage, then you come over here and read the question. You decide, oh, this is definitely not the answer. So you can cross that answer off. Okay. Now the important thing to remember is when you're switching back and forth to the tools. So if you've used the cross off, you then want to go back and unswitch it. You can either unclick it like that and it will automatically go back to the pointer tool, or you can just click on the pointer tool. You can't choose an answer unless you are on that pointer tool. So that's very important to remember. The next one we're going to talk about is the highlighter tool. You can use your highlighter to, if you find information that's we want to remember in the passages when you're answering your questions. You want to use them in constructed responses. You want to make sure um, that you have that information in your head as you're answering your question. Use the highlighter tool, such a good tool. Then, if you want to clear that, you can go to clear all. Again, use the highlighter. It will not, so if you want to use the highlighter, it will not let you click answers with the highlighter tool. So you have to go back and press the pointer tool for that. The next one is a sticky note. So you can put a new sticky note over here. Remember the quote on page 2. Okay, so that just lets you know, go back to that page 2. Don't forget to go back there. You can put the sticky note wherever you want. So you can leave the sticky note there, and then you can hide sticky notes as well. This is your magnifying tool, so you can magnify it. Then you can magnify it even more. So then if you just want to turn that magnifier off, you press that again. The line guide's very interesting too. If you want to use the line guide as you are reading, this line guide moves with you. So you have to click on the mouse and drag it down, but you can read line by line if that is easier for you to keep up with what you've read and to move on to the next line. The line guide will help you with that. But remember, you do have to hold down the mouse and move down, okay? So that is how you do line guide. Again, where the line guide is interesting because it will let you select the answer for line guide. But you also go back up and click it off. So do not forget though, pointer tool is how you choose your answer. All right, so none of these will help you choose an answer. You have to go back to the pointer tool to choose the answer. Click on the letter to choose the answer. You can click it again if you decide on another answer. It does let you, if you've accidentally crossed off maybe a right answer, it does let you choose that answer even though you've crossed off, and then go to the next question. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in class.